Hello and welcome to Programming in C++. This video is going to cover Chapter 4, which is Control Structures 1, Selection. The exercises for this, more exercises for Chapter 4. Before we get started, go ahead and smash the like button and leave a comment and make sure you are subscribed to the channel. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and do so. If you're unable to do so, go ahead and log in. If you're unable to log in, it means you have not yet created a YouTube account. It takes less than 1 minute and it is free. So please do so that you can like and comment on videos and you can subscribe to your favorite channels. Also, when you subscribe to your favorite channels, you'll be notified whenever a new video is posted from that channel. And also, it'll make it easier for you to navigate throughout YouTube. So the first exercise we'll do will be Programming in C++, Programming Exercise 4-20. For this exercise, we're looking at the cost of renting a room at a hotel is, say, $100 per night. For special occasions such as a wedding or a conference, the hotel offers a special discount as follows. If the number of rooms booked is at least 10, the discount is 10%. At least 20, the discount is 20%. And at least 30, the discount is 30%. Also, if rooms are booked for at least 3 days, then there is an additional 5% discount. Write a program that prompts the user to enter the cost of renting one room, the number of rooms booked, the number of days the rooms are booked, the sales tax as percentage or as percent, and the program outputs the cost of renting one room, the discount on each room as a percent, and the amount of room booked, the number of days the room are booked, and the cost of the rooms, the sales tax, the total billing amount. The program must use appropriate named constants to store special values such as various discounts. Since your program handles currency, make sure to use a data type that can store decimals with a precision to 2 decimals. So task 1, discount stored as constants. Task 2, correct outputs for less than 10 rooms. Task 3, correct outputs for 10 to 19 rooms. Task 4, correct outputs for 20 to 29 rooms. And task 5, correct outputs for 30 or more rooms. Alright, let's take a look at our code, and we'll begin right after this. Alright, the first thing we're going to need to do is do our include statements. Let's go here, and we will do, so for this one we will need just the IO manip. Then we'll go down to our named constants, and there is 4, and they're all doubles. So constants, double, and just do caps lock. So I'm copying this for the other ones, the first part. So the first constant, let's call it 10 underscore 2, comma, 19 rooms, underscore rooms, and let's add discount, or DIS, sorry. And this will equal 10%, 0.10. And let's do our next one. I copied that so that when I copy and paste, I don't have to switch from caps locks to lowercase. 20, we'll call this one 20 to 29 rooms discount. Again, we got a third one, we call it 30 or more rooms discount. Actually, equals, this one is equal to 20%. Call this 30 or more rooms, I say, 30 or more. Discounts. This equals C to these. 30 and 3 days. C purpose, and that's 0.30. And the last one will be called 3 days room discount. So stay longer than 3 days. And we'll spell it DISC. Discount equals 0.05. Additional. So that's all of our constant named constants. So let's look at these, make sure they're right. 10 to 19 room, 19 rooms discount, 20 to 29 rooms discount, 30 or more rooms discount, 3 days room discount. And let's go ahead do our cosmetics, make some room to work. And let's get started first with our variables. We got a couple of doubles. We got room. We got room rent. Let's do this together. Room rent. Total rooms cost. Total room cost. And we got a couple integers. Number of rooms booked, num of rooms booked, and number of days rooms booked. Go 2 more doubles, and sales tax, and we got discount. We'll initialize that to 0. Discount to 0, and we have our variables. Actually, we have one more. Let's put it right here. Billing amount. Alright, so we got billing amount added, so that is our variables. Let's set our precision. Cout fixed. Show point. And set precision. 2. Voila. Alright, let's scroll this up. Next, for line 21, let's go ahead and start our outputs. And as always, we're going to copy and paste a few of these. Counting right, we'll use, I'm thinking 4 offhand. So let's go C out. And let's go enter the cost of renting one room. And the cost of renting one room. Semicolon. And this room, CN, will be room rent. C out. Let's go ahead and make 4 of these, or 3 more of these. So, paste. Paste, and 1 more. Paste. Alright. So I think that's going to be all that we need for that, for those. Let's go up to number 2, and this one will change into number of rooms booked. Enter the number and this one will be num of rooms booked. And then number of days, enter the number of days the rooms are booked. Enter the number of days the rooms are booked. Oops. Booked. And this is where it's going to be num of days. Rooms are booked. Alright. And lastly, we'll enter sales tax as a percent. Enter sales tax. Two words. Tax as a percent. And this would be sales tax, of course. Case that. Clear up. Sales tax. Alright, something happened. Let's look at that. Sales tax. Alright, so that's cleared up now. Why are we not cleared up? Sales tax. Double. Sales tax. Alright. Let's do this then. So double. That was online. This is semicolon. And there we go. Let's see if that cleared up. Nope. So something else I'm doing wrong. Inline sales tax. Sales tax. Double. Sales tax. Ouch. Alright. That was a huge waste of time, but let's get it. So let's start with an if. And let's go with, let's see, right here. If number of days, let's see, if number of days rooms booked that's not gonna work. Let's go if 10, do our discounts first. Let's go if 10 is less than or equal to number of rooms booked. And number of rooms booked. Rooms booked is less than or equal to 19. We'll put 10 through 19 basically. 19. Let's go down the line and discount. Discount equals 10 to 19. Stored 10 to 19 with discount. That's some point there. And we'll do else if. We'll do the same thing with 20. It's greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to number of rooms booked. And rooms booked. It's less than or equal to 29. So there. So let's go discount equals 20 to 29. guessed it. Else if again. Let's do this. Alright, just change up a few things. Copy that and paste it. So this time it's going to be 30 equals number of rooms booked, or is less than or equal to number of rooms booked. Alright, the second part, because remember, it just has to be over 30. So let's take rid of that. And your discount is going to equal discount plus. So additional discount. Discount plus 30 or more room discount. Alright. Now let's go to another. Let's go another space for this one, since it's going to be another if. And number of days rooms booked. And that's going to be if it's greater or equal to 3. Discount equals discount plus 3 days room discount. Let's go in. And let's go total room costs equals room rent times 1 minus discount. Good. And then we'll do times number of rooms booked times the number of days rooms booked. So we come there. Billing amount equals total room costs times sales tax. Let's go. Just one plus sales tax. Tax divided by 100. It's going to be a percentage. And we're going to semicolon that. Alright. So we'll do the rest. We're almost at the end, but let's take a quick break and we'll be right back. Alright, so next we'll do our outputs, cout, and we'll say cost of renting the room, $sign there. Room rent. And line. See out. Discount on each room rent. This is going to be. We won't put a $sign there because it might be a percentage. Alright, discount, yep, discount times 100, yep, there's our percentage sign and inline. Oops. Colon. So that's looking good. Oh, yeah, that's right. Quotes there. That's looking strange. That's not a variable. Got it. All right. So once again, cout. Number of rooms booked. Booked. Let's go inline. T. Let's go with the number of days the rooms are booked. This one will simply be number of rooms booked. Oh no. Oops, making up all kinds of mistakes. Alright, so this will be number of days rooms booked. And inline. Cout. Total rooms costs. This one will be dollar sign now. Ah, man. Okay, that's fine. And total room costs. This. And then let's inline on that one. And cout. And sales tax. Dollar sign for that. And that one will be total room cost times sales tax divided by 100. Total room costs times sales tax divided by 100. Sales tax is in a percentage. And inline. Cout. And the billing amount is dollar sign. That one. We'll leave that without the colon. Let's go billing amount. Okay, take a quick look at that. This code again. Make sure I don't have anything missed out. Billing amount is sales tax, total rooms cost, number of days the rooms are booked, number of rooms booked, discount on HRM rent, cost of renting a room. Alright. Enter sales tax as a percent. Enter the number of days the rooms are booked. Enter the number of rooms booked. Enter the cost of renting one room. Alright, so it looks like we're ready to run. sales tax percent 6. So that's our costs. Let's calculate, see if we got that thing right. Let's look at our code while that's calculating with some confidence. So first thing we did on line 2, we added our include statement, the IO manip. Then we got 4 constant variables, and they're all up here, as you can see, and we initialize them to their actual discount rate. And we got 3, so we'll stop there, and we'll see if we got. So we got the discount stored as constants right up here. All this is correct. So let's go ahead and check this out real quick. All right, let's change this to total rooms cost, and let's go down 1929. Those are correct. Let you look at that again. So that's what the variables look like. And line 32. So let's go ahead and run this again and get this thing beat up. So let's go run $100. Enter. Rooms book 29, so just 35 days of room, 4 days, sales tax 7%, and that's our total cost for that. Sales tax is 137. All right, so now let's calculate it again. I think we got it going here. Simple mistake can destroy you. Let's put this right here. Let's go ahead and check. That's 50%. All right, so let's look at our code again. Line 2, manip. Got 4 constants, name constants. Make sure you spell them correctly. Then our variables. Got some doubles and some integers. Same thing. Again, looks we got all green. So our code is good now. And we got 100%. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the variables down to line 32. And if you need more time with that, please go ahead and hit the pause button. And we're going to go and move on. 34 to 53. I went ahead and put these on one line. Or on 2 lines, so we won't have to scroll over anymore, so you can see the whole code. And actually, we can make that bigger. So 34 to 49, that is now. And 34 to 49. Need more time, go ahead and pause it. And we'll go ahead and move those over, or down. You got line 50 to the end of the code. Shrink that back up, Control minus, so you can see the whole thing. All right, we'll do it again real quick. You can pause it if you're still on that end. So the very top, go ahead and pause that if you need more time. Then go to 22 to 41. Go ahead and pause that if you need more time. 41 to 60. And as you know, go ahead and pause it if you need more time. And that's the end of it. Alright, so we're going on to the next one. We'll see you on the next exercise, which is going to be Programming in C++, Programming Exercise 4-21. And we're let L be a line in the XY plane. If L is a vertical line, its equation is x equals a for some real number a. Suppose L is not a vertical line and its slope is m, then the equation is L is y equals mx plus b, where b is the y-intercept. If L passes through the point xo, yo, the equation of L can be written as y minus yo equals mx, m times x minus xo. If x1 and y1 and x2 and y2 are 2 points in the xy plane, and x1 is not equal to x2, The slope of line passing through these points is m equals y squared, or y2 minus y1 time, or divided by y2 minus, or x2 minus x1. So our instructions: write a program that prompts the user for 2 points in the xy plane. Input should be entered in the following order: input x1, input y1, input x2, input y2. The program outputs the equation of the line, uses if statements to determine and output whether the line is vertical, horizontal, increasing, or decreasing. And if L is a non-vertical line, output its equation in the formula y equals mx plus b. Note output all numbers with precision of 2 decimal points. And test 1, if statements are used correctly. And test 2, correct option for test cases. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and set up our include statements. And it looks like we'll only need one, and that'll be the good old IO manip. Alright, no name constants this time, so let's go ahead and get these cosmetics straight. Get some room to work, and we'll dive right in by declaring our variables. And the first of which, well, they're going to be doubles. All of them actually going to be doubles, and we'll kind of put them, comment what they are so we don't forget. M1, first we got X1, then we have Y1, keep them in this order because they were said in the instructions, X2 and Y2. And let's go do some room for a comment. Double is M and M. So M is going to be, remember we're going to comment, so it won't be it's not really code, just a note for us. It's going to be slope. Alright, so double, it says B, lowercase b. And this one is going to be the y-intercept. Intercept. And if m is non-zero, so let's then b, it's a crazy equation, so then b equals mx1 plus y1. Right, and let's put a period after that. Doesn't matter, it's a comment. Alright, so that's all our variables. Let's do our set our precision. See out, fixed, show point, set precision, and 2. Semicolon. Next, let's go see out. Enter the coordinates. Coordinates. X1, Y1, all of them. Y1, comma, X2, comma, Y2, comma. And we're going to say 2 points. In the XY plane. CN X1 Y1, just do all of them. here's where we got to do our if statement. This is one of our tests. So if state x1 is equal to x2, let's print out what I'm about to say. So let's go with the line passing through the points. Points. Crazy. Nope, they're gonna be on the outside. I'm gonna make it x1. So this is the beginning. So let's see how we do this. So go x1. Let's close those. Oops, that's weird. Let's close those. Just one, comma. Space and another. So that one's that one. And then x, y1. Let's drop this down so we don't go too far, too wide. Next line. Do the same thing. And this time. This one and that, yeah, and then x2, and then just like before, let's go out. Comma, space. We have that correct. And we do y2. Okay. Let's do y2. Do it again. Let's go. That. And then we'll use is x equals that like that. So there we go. So now equals, so we gotta go x1, x1. This line, yep. Alright, so that's going to finish our sentence. Do this. I can't put that yet. Do here. It is a vertical line. All that. And period. And then inline. Got that done. Do a quick break. We'll be right back after this. Alright, so moving on up a little bit. And let's get started on our next line, which is go to 25. Let's do our else. Else. And we'll get our brackets. Enter. And let's give it a m equals. Let's show what did it say? y2 minus y1, and then it's going to be divided by x2 minus x1. Semicolon that. Then go down, and then b is going to equal. This one's going to be minus m times y1 times x1 plus y1 colon, and then C out. The line passing through the points. These, it's going to be multiple lines, so just bear with me. Copy and paste it, but I'm scared I might lose track of it. Think through this X1 first, and we got our quote, and space, and another bump. Then we have Y1. So yeah, we'll go down to the next line on this one. Tab over. Pick up where we left off after Y1. So we gotta do our this, and then I open like we did the last time. And this time we'll do X2. Space, and then we'll do Y2, and then we'll do our, let's see, Y2, this is next, is Y equal, we can go, not good, next line, M, and that's going to be X plus, and we'll leave a space for that, and go here to B. Skip a space and come down, and we'll do our if m equals 0. If m is equal to 0, so then we drop down, we'll say C out. It is a horizontal line. Else if, let's go m is greater than 0. C out. The line is increasing. Let's get line, and we'll do else C out. C out. The line is decreasing. Alright, we got a lot to cover there. Let's check out these. So let's addedly get these lined back up. Let's see, one space. And alright, let's look at our code real quick. Check it out on the way up. See if there's any mistakes. And I'm not seeing anything, so let's just go to the top. This is pretty short. Alright, let's try to run it and see what we can figure out. Okay. X1, Y1, 2 points in X, Y pane. Okay. Put X1. So let's go. X1. The line passing through the point 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2, 8. Alright, so that's good. Alright, let's go ahead and calculate that. We'll spend a lot of time on that. And we'll check our code while that calculates. So I think we got that one good. Alright, so for line 2, we did our IO manip, declared our variables, no name constants, declared our variables, doubles, x1, y1, x2, y2. Then we had m, which is the slope, and then b, which is y-intercept. If m is non-zero, then b equals mx1 plus y1. That's where we got that from in directions. And yep, we got our 2 green check marks. And we did get our 100%, so that's groovy. And we're going to go ahead and scroll down. See our set precision. Then we enter the coordinates, all of them, of 2 points in the xy plane, or in the xy plane. We use the variables x1, y1, x2, and y2. And we did our x1 is not equal to, or is equal to x2 if the line passing through the points and is x. Alright, so I'm going to show you this again from the top. So here it is from line 1 to line 21. Look at that. And if you still need more time, go ahead and pause it. And we're going to go down to line 21, 21, all the way to the return 0, line 41. Okay, look at that. And if you need to pause it, please do so. We're going to go ahead and close this one out. So remember, go ahead and smash that like button. Thanks for joining. Thanks for viewing the video. Smash the like button. Leave a comment. And make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Alright? So take care. Have a wonderful day. And we'll see you on the next one.